parang ano naman ang taba-tabang tao.
More cake. Wait, don't take the photo yet.
Uy, ano ba bukas dito ang gusto ko? Strawberry. Ano ko yun? Strawberry pala ito. Strawberry pala ito.
Ito, wala na, papasan ka. Ano na?
Wala na, basa na.
Pinainom na sa akin yung ano.
Ano guys, nag-wait. Dalawa na.
Oh, you can put this one.
Drinking water.
Uy, wala. This one.
Please, I want to put drinking
Say
water.
how you can put no ball. What do you want? No? Ano ba to?
Say
Say the water the kami. Ay, dragon fruit. Yan.
Mabasa ka nga dyan.
Bakit bukit ito hindi ipatabo ni Nana ito? Ay, sorry.
I make it so here.
Dahil na.
Now
Ay, ba't kasi yan nila dito? Yung parang...
Dahil, wala ito dyan.
Basa na yun sa mamaya.
Meron din ako. Hindi.
Cake din pa. Ay! Kala ko di ka nagbibidyo. Cake din pala to. Ano ang dalawa?
I wait for you. Cake na. Ano ba? Ano daw ni Madam?
Cherry.
Ang sarap ate.
Ito oh.
Tamis. Di ba nga lahat? Alam niyo man. Gusto na nan.
Mga ano, patay gutom.
Look what you're doing. Think this is normal? So stop it then.
Mga patay gutom.
Wala yung watermelon, no?
This is wrong way. Come. I don't know how, but this is wrong. Let's find another way. I'll show you something.
Lang pala.
We can't make messes, Habibi. We're not babies. Come, let's find another way. Why don't you do it in the sink? It's easy. The sink you can't make a mess because all the water goes in the drain.
I want to drink it.
Yeah, he want to drink
Where's the
because,
straw? Where's the
You want to
straw?
drink
because
it?
that one, sir, he gave it to me
Yeah.
already. I drink it already. That's for you, like that. That's why I drink.
Where's the straw?
Okay, I have an idea.
I put water in coconut.
Is it,
Yeah.
can I make this the hole bigger with a knife? So the water goes in easy? Is that a good
Yes,
idea?
I make sure it's
I know what you, I didn't know what you want. Now Baba knows.
Mga patay
Thank you for
gutom.
telling me.
Ang kiwi, oh.
Mga patay gutom. Mga patay gutom.
not horrible. If it's going to be funny to drink it.
No, you can
Lagyan.
drink it.
Diyan ang kamera mo.
Di ba? Ano ko to? I-filter ko.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Oh.
I'm just gonna take the water out on 1 second.
Why?
Asa pa man?
Now, because I want to eat the whole thing.
Merry Christmas to everyone. This is our madam give us this fruits Christmas tree.
Ano to?
Ah, thank you. Very
Tikman mo
good.
para alam mo.
Yeah, that's fine.
Mangga?
Open.
Mangga.
See the pan before you open. Very good job. That's something. The water will go here. It's like a straw. Into here. Yeah.
Yes, sa ako.
Come on, what's ready for?
Jim, yun ang mga. Bastos mo.
Iba talaga yung nasa utak niya, no?
Oo. Namimiss na niya yung asawa niya.
Ba't hindi ba siya nag-day off?
Wala, hindi
Hindi
nag-day.
pa yung hindi magda. Bakit hindi wala dito si Milo?
Without squeezing.
Wala na yung mangga.
Ayun, oh.
Don't let the straw fall inside.
Ay, nasa yelo.
Thank you very much.
Yan namin
Ayan.
lagi ni siya. Ganin na.
Mag-group na tayo para may ano. May group na tayo.
Balik ka na. Wala
Mag-group na tayo.
Yan naman dire.
Dayang-dayang.
Uy, ano yung tayo? Uy, ito, ipakita mo ito sa akin.
Sabay-sabay tayong Merry Christmas, okay? Sabay tayong Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! Hindi pa naman.
Kumakain pa rin.